Yeah, smells really good. Hope she likes it. What? Come on, people, stop sending me spam messages. Okay, all I need is some little bit of coriander and we should be good. Let's go. What is this? Where did you come from? Ah, look at us. You must be here, right up here. It's time for some coriander. Right. And that should be it. Oh God. You got me scared there. Jesus Christ. You really scared me there.
Come here.
Oh.
Any better?
Love you. Yeah, of course. Because how are you? How was your London trip?
Was fine.
You okay?
Just badly tired.
I can see in you. I'll tell you what. I made something for you. Come here. Hopefully you like it. Taste and tell me. Spicy? Too spicy? What do you think?
Don't know.
What do you mean by don't know? I'm not that bad cook. Come on.
I can't really taste anything.
You made me sad. I'm just joking. I'll tell you what. You must be really tired. Go upstairs. Get freshened up. We're gonna have some lovely food, okay? Come.
Arun?
What?
What are you saying?
I said go upstairs and get freshened up.
I can't hear you.
What do you mean by you can't hear me? Come on, I said you just
What
go.
What are you saying?
I'm not falling for this prank, okay?
I
Cheeky.
can't
Go
hear
away.
anything. Where are you?
What do you mean by
Where are you?
Hey, you're making me
I
worried
can't
now.
see anything.
Hey.
What's happening?
Listen.
I
You
can't.
okay? You okay?
Where?
You okay?
What's happening?
Hey, stay with me.
I can't see anything.
Listen. You stay with me. Stay with me. Hey, baby, come on. Stay. One second here. One second. I need to call the emergency.
Emergency, which service?
Hello. Oh, my wife just fell unconscious on the floor. I need some emergency. I need some ambulance service, please. Yes, please. Oh God, baby, stay with me, please. Please stay with me. Please.
Ambulance service.
Yes, my wife just fell on the floor unconscious. I need an ambulance service as soon as possible. Please.
Can I have your address, please?
Yeah, my address is too big. I'm sorry. It's too Bayfree. It's too I'm sorry, I can't hear you much, but please. It's too It's too Bayfield Drive. Oh God, I can't hear you much. Too Bayfield. Can't see it. Two.